This is a walkthrough for Lesson 3, Assignment 2. In Lesson 3, Assignment 1, you shot your images, imported them into Lightroom, complete with your creator copyright metadata preset. You created a collection, keyworded all of your images, and tagged your images with flags for the top 4 and stars for the top 5. So those 4 images with the flags and stars, you'll need to use the Develop module to make some of the advanced adjustments that were introduced this week. Those include specifically tone curves, HSL, and lens corrections. So I'm going to head over to the Develop module. I've already made those adjustments to my flagged images. You'll want to be sure that the history panel is visible so that all of the adjustments can be seen there on the left panel. On the right panel, I'd like you to show essentially the advanced adjustments made. It's not possible really to see the basic, tone curves, and HSL panels all at the same time. And even though there were adjustments made in the basic, I can see what they were over here on the left panel as well. But I'm more interested in seeing the tone curve and also the HSL adjustment. This image did have a luminance shift. I have saturation active here, so I can't see what was done on the HSL panel unless I navigate back to luminance. So this would be a screenshot that I could take showing the before and after. Okay. As a reminder, the before and after, rather than seeing something like a split view, I'd like to see the entirety of each image, either left, right, or top, bottom, whatever fits best on the page. I'm going to do the same. Take a screenshot of the next flagged image, again showing the adjustments made. There were hue and luminance shifts within the HSL panel. I can't show both at once, but as long as one is showing, that's fine. Here as well, the HSL adjustments I made were to hue, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on hue and take the screenshot. And finally here, there were no HSL adjustments, tone curves, and basics, so I'm just going to scroll up and take the screenshot there. Next, I'm going to go back to the library module. I've gone ahead and marked 10 images I'd like to use in the slideshow presentation. This is not screenshots, to clarify. These are the final images, the top 10 of the 36, as a PDF slideshow presentation from Lightroom. So I've gone ahead and marked those in purple just for my reference, and I made a separate slideshow collection, so I know which 10 images I want to use. You'll need this to be captioned. There's a separate slideshow demo showing this, but the captions do need to be entered in Library module in the metadata panel for each of those 10 images. I used the adjustments made to each image. You may or may not have made adjustments to the 6 images other than the flagged or starred images in your 10 image sequence, so you can just choose anything you want to caption that. Just try not to make it too long. Once you have your images in a collection for the slideshow, the 10 images, go ahead and navigate to slideshow. You chose the caption and rating slideshow, and it's up to you whether you want to change that default color, kind of a gray gradient, to something else. Ensure that your captions are correctly spelled. You've added an identity plate to the top left corner, this option here, and customized it, perhaps with your name. Just not something like Lightroom. We don't want to see that. Right. Once you've made all of your adjustments in the slideshow panel here, it's a good idea to go ahead and create a user template in case you want to use those same settings again in the future. So after you have all of your selections made, I'm just going to name it descriptively, captioned black background, and create. That way next time, if I wanted to use those same settings again with the identity plate and so forth, white stroke, black background, I can use it with a different set of images. And assuming the captions have been entered in the library metadata panel, those will update along with each image if a new set is used. The final step of the slideshow is to export PDF, save as, title it appropriately, make your size suggestions, and export. I've already done so, so I'm not going to do it again. I'm just going to go ahead and navigate to my desktop. I can create a new folder. Okay. Add the slideshow and 4 screenshots into the folder, and then go ahead and zip the folder before submitting it. Have a great day.